Well, this is the first day with the drywallers here, and they're all taking a lunch break right now. So we're going to take a look and see how they're looking. We got the ceiling in already. All right, how about that? Here's the office. You got the cans all roto zipped in. There's the heating vent going to the main room. See, they're still working on material scraps. So it looks like the first thing they did after the ceiling is they came back here. This is the storage area. They've got stuff all pushed to the center of the room, so we're going to have to walk around. So here we go. It's looking good. The ceiling in this room is going to be left unfinished, but we're going to do the walls at least up till here. There's a stationary tub sink here, and we're not gonna do anything beyond that. We're gonna leave it all open, top end back here, just in case we need to get in. But there was a beam right here. I framed it all in, and they've done a good job in boxing it in. There's the escape window. They've got that all finished out with drywall, sides and bottom. This is the utility room where the sump pump is, and the network cable closet is back here, along with the electrical. So I've had them do both sides of this wall, front and back. It's insulated just for sound deadening. I had a router and professional line switch back here that had a fan in it, and that thing made a lot of noise. So I put this insulation in here, so in the wall here, so you wouldn't hear that fan when it's going. This is the workroom. There's my workbench. They've got the ceiling done, so they started with the ceilings. That's going to be a register for a return air. This is going to be a closet. There's more materials stacked up. Quite a lot stacked back there. So this is where we've gotten so far, and this was 5 hours into the project, and these guys have gotten all this done in 5 hours. These guys are not shitting around. They're getting it done. You come down here, they're working, and you can see the results of the work. And no lollygagging. These dudes they are on the spot, humping it. All right. So we'll come down. They're taking a lunch break right now, so we'll come down at the end of the day and see how much more progress they've made. But so far, so good. I'm happy. All right. We'll see you later.